this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a really good looking tutorial on Scratch. So, what you need to do is get rid of the cat sprite. Now, all you need is a backdrop. So what you've got to do is, when green flag clicked, switch to backdrop 1. And this will be backdrop 1 here. So let's put like a gradient, because it looks really nice. Let's do... I like to do black to another colour usually. Black to, let's just do this, maybe. You convert it to bitmap. There we go. And then add white text. Probably looks better on this. So let's just do how to make a tutorial. You would do that. Keep it as the usual font because it looks better. You would put it there, like that. And then you would keep adding more stuff with information. And yeah, just an example. I'm just going to say hi. It's not going to be an actual tutorial here. I'm just putting the word hi there. So like, and then what you'll do here is forever if key space is pressed, and do next backdrop and wait 1 second so it doesn't go like really quickly. And also we could add some music, and I'm just going to import let's just do this one, and then do one green flag click, forever do that. Now that's basically the tutorial, so it would just keep looping. So you would press spacebar to go to the next slide. So yeah, that's basically all I have for this video here, and I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and keep coding. Bye.